Good morning, Jaipur. Say I am green. Me from Success Land. आज का अखबार पढ़ते हैं। दैनिक भास्कर सच्ची बात बेधड़क 8 जनवरी 2026। अब पहली न्यूज़ है 2.5 साल में 365 लाख युवाओं को स्किल ट्रेनिंग, 462 करोड़ खर्च, नौकरी सिर्फ 13% को, 87% हुनर राजस्थानी कतार में। सुन के बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है गाइस, क्योंकि वी आर फ्रॉम स्किल डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट। वी also provide skill development courses, but it's not under the government scheme. ये सारा पैसा है 462 करोड़ रुपए खर्च हुए हैं इस स्कीम के अंतर्गत, और जॉब वगैरह क्यों नहीं लग पाए इसके बारे में हम प्रैक्टिकली यहाँ के स्टूडेंट से बात कर लेते हैं। देयर इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दैट आर टीचिंग। हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ यू? ही इज सिद्धार्थ and he is Maninder and Aryan. So they are also student of Success Land. They are also preparing for the skill development regarding the communication and English, so that they can become better to best. So आज की न्यूज़ है, सॉरी मैं आपको डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ। आज की न्यूज़ आई है कि 462 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए गए हैं और गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा, एंड उनको ओनली 13% लोगों को, राजस्थानियों मतलब राजस्थान से जितने बच्चे थे उनको 13% बच्चों को ही जॉब मिली है। सो वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग कि मतलब ऐसा फ्री में एजुकेशन भी मिल रही है एंड फिर भी उनको जॉब वगैरह नहीं मिल पा रही है। तो व्हाट आर रीज़न बिहाइंड आर्यन? मतलब आप भी स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्स कर रहे हो सक्सेस लैंड से, सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू टेल अबाउट दैट?
Like firstly, they just are wasting their time. They are just not focusing on skill development. Like I also heard a news related to PMKVY. The government is putting their efforts, but the students are not taking it seriously. So if students take it positively and seriously, so definitely they will get results.
सो वॉट डू वॉन्ट टू से दैट फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई भी राजस्थान के किसी भी ग्रामीण परिवेश से कोई बच्चा सीखने के पर्पज़ से आया है, सो वो वहाँ पर मतलब कुछ स्किल डेवलप करना चाहता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लैंग्वेज सीखना चाहता है या हॉस्पिटैलिटी कोर्स करना चाहता है, तो सो स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्स कर रहे हैं मीन्स यू सी द गवर्नमेंट इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग दैम हॉस्टल्स, फ्री एजुकेशंस एंड व्यावसायिक कोर्स, जिसको स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज बोलते हैं। स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज में कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड कोर्स आ गए, होटल से रिलेटेड कोर्सेज आ गए, एविएशन से रिलेटेड कोर्सेज हैं, तो वो फ्री में सब कुछ मिल रहा है उनको, फिर भी वो सक्सीड क्यों नहीं हो पाते हैं? मतलब दैट्स मेन रीजन बिहाइंड दैट। यस सिद्धार्थ।
Sir, first of all, the government, they are giving education freely, so that's the wrong thing, because in India we have lots of students. They are don't serious about their career. They are just.
You want to say that something that like, if we spend money from ourselves,
Yes, sir.
तब थोड़ा सा seriousness आएगा।
At that time,
Something we
pay.
get free free of cost, then I
So,
think we don't take serious.
Yes, sir. We don't take seriously. That's the biggest reason, and that's why they will not succeed in their life.
और स्किल इंडिया के नाम से कई सारे कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स भी रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा लेते हैं, बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो गेट सम बेनिफिट्स।
Yes, sir.
दे गेट बेनिफिट लाइक आपने मान लो 50 स्टूडेंट को उन्होंने एडमिशन दिया और 50 को मतलब जॉब नहीं मिल पाई है, सिखा नहीं पाए हैं, दे डोंट पुट देयर 100%, सो उसमें भी उनको प्रॉब्लम्स मतलब फेस करनी पड़ रही
No
होगी।
sir, it doesn't matter will they get placement or not. Mean of that, student is giving their 100% and teacher is giving their 100%. Where the student are lacking,
Yes, yes.
because
Yeah.
all depends on maturity. In the youth and in the younger age, we distract from our path. Sometimes we cannot be consistent on our path because of some distractions.
Yeah, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, जैसे एक एनवायरनमेंट का भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है।
Yes.
जैसे मान लो कि हॉस्टल में सारे बच्चे रह रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज
Yes,
के
yes.
लिए, तो इन दैट स्टूडेंट्स को एनवायरनमेंट they are developing some communication and confidence and environment is the same like they had before in the village or in some their institution academy जो गाँव में जो कॉलेज थी स्कूल थी वैसा ही एनवायरनमेंट उनको वहाँ मिला है तो आई डोंट थिंक सो दे कैन एनहेंस देयर कम्युनिकेशन कैसे एनहेंस कर सकते हैं हम
Yes.
लाइक आई सी योर कॉन्फिडेंस यू आर स्पीकिंग वेरी वेल सो हाउ you are enhancing yourself due to the environment and
Really,
like
because environment plays a vital role, because if you want to learn something you have to just follow the things. Like if I'm learning English, so I have to be learning always I have to think about the in English. I should stop myself to speak in Hindi. If I speak in Hindi, so how will I learn it?
Yes.
Definitely.
And how I developed, I used to a bit introvert, but after be part of the Success Land, how I developed myself. First, when I joined this institute, I have seen that people is really introvert and they are doing great. Why? Because they are in the professional environment and
so
if-
environment का बहुत फर्क पड़ता है
yeah,
according
environment works a lot because if we are doing our best and we are not getting a perfect environment to do that thing, how we can do?
if I talk about like here like we you know in our institute within 1 year students are very much confident to get job because they learned whatever they have whatever they did in the institute like communication wise confidence building wise so you want to say that if they are following the same things
Yes, sir.
They can-
Not about on 1 year. I have been only 6 and
now
7
recently
months.
you cracked the interview that was also how many months you have done here
Only 6 and 7 months.
6 to 7 months
Yes,
you have done
I
here.
spent only
Yeah.
the whole 7 months you can consider because I was not coming
Regularly,
in
yes.
time because I had some work and also I got opportunity at the Taj Mahal Palace to do my internship and have a great experience and have a customer service experience. Then mean of that I did a lot of things in here from this institute and really I developed myself a lot because I used to introvert and I used to Hindi speaker. Now I'm English speaker and I have that confidence I can crack my interview and also I have cracked 2 times of the SATS interview but I couldn't join because
So
of some work.
yeah, sorry to interrupt you. Same courses government also provide in such skill development courses, but I see many students they are unable to speak confidently like you.
Yes, sir.
What is reason behind
It
that?
happens because of the surrounding. Like we consider our surrounding as a very big thing because
Yes.
if we have the right surroundings, so we can develop our personality. We can
No,
get the
sorry to
things.
interrupt you, Siddharth. Some people say that मैं तो गांव से बिलोंग करता हूँ तो हमारे तो हिंदी बोलते ही नहीं है अंग्रेजी कहाँ सीखेंगे something like that
No.
but I think we are also
Yes.
Yeah, we are also
I'm al-
speaks in Hindi. Always speak in Hindi earlier, but
Hindi.
when I joined this institute, so I always think about that I have to be perfect in English. So I tried my best and I achieved it.
yes
And
अब गांव की बात
sometime-
करें तो आपके घर पे कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं
I'm from the Junjunu, Rajasthan, and I'm Marwadi, and my family always speak a Marwadi language.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
For myself, it is difficult to speak in Hindi language. But now I'm perfect in English language also. So
Yes.
I have one.
Can you speak something about it in Marwadi please
No.
speak something that we want to see because some of our viewers they think that हम तो गांव से बिलोंग करते हैं हम अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख
They always
सकते
think about
तो
that.
आपके बारे में बताओ even
They
I can
always
speak
think about
something in
negative
Marwadi
part.
so can you please share something
Yeah, I can try because I'm not that confident in Marwadi because
With
of
English.
that-
English to Marwadi.
because of English, but I can say मैं किठाना से बिलोंग करूँ हूँ और मैं 12वीं क्लास पास कर चुकी हूँ like that. It is too difficult for me.
And
But I
also, sir, because of the English, we cannot
Now
think
you don't
about
have it.
to speak in Hindi.
Yes,
We
yes.
always try to speak in English, even in our family, even with when we are with our friends. That time we always try to speak only English.
Okay, okay. And now you are quite hesitate to speak in Marwari because, but we should proud on our mother tongue language. But
yes,
because for the occupation, for the job purpose, we have to change ourselves.
Yes.
Because already we lived in a different environment, but now we have to enhance ourselves because we want to make your career.